or 8 pallets of cargo, or a mixture of both. It has been deployed and worked since 1999, when they were delivered, and 2001, when the last delivery took place. All these aircraft are part of a fleet of 12, which are based at RAAF Base Richmond, line number 37 Squadron.
This will be a great opportunity to get your cameras out and take some photos and video of the C-130J Hercules coming in for a short landing. It will deploy some troops as the ramp comes down. We will then move out, being Air Force security forces, and secure the airfield.
C-130 is also equipped with defensive aids, including flares, which it will deploy as it approaches any airfield and do the same as it departs, just in case of, to try and defeat any potential threats. I was asked a few days ago what the little bump was just above the fuselage there. This counter improvement of the aircraft has been developed in service to give you essentially a wide-band satellite communication capability.
You'll just see how short a landing the Hercules needs. The ramp already starting to come down. And in just a moment you'll see Royal Australian Air Force security forces moving out the back to secure the airfield. And what they do is they ensure the security of air bases and the safety of people as a crucial part of the Air Force. Air Force security makes sure our working environment is safe and secure. They undertake a variety of critical security functions in support of air operations, including protective reviews, security risk management and threat assessment. You'll see them moving out, securing the airfield right now. Ladies and gentlemen, as they move out, give them a big round of applause. Now, as you can see at the back of the ramp, you will see the loadmaster lying down. He's not taking a rest. The Hercules is about to reverse up. And what the loadmaster is doing right there, he's checking for foreign object debris on the runway. So we call that FOD. And making sure his aircrew off the front of the aircraft knows that behind the aircraft is clear so they can reverse.
Whilst the loadmaster will be concentrating quite heavily, you can give him a wave. We just try not to distract him right at this point. Yumi in the flight deck will be preparing now to change the pitch. I'll roll the aircraft's engines, set the propellers very shortly to engage forward thrust.
Now you might be wondering about the loadmaster and how he stays safe when the aircraft might be moving and they have to put the ramp down. He will be wearing a harness which I have a strap straight to the aircraft, so he is completely safe with his operating environment.
Charlie 130 has been used extensively in both Afghanistan and throughout the Middle East over the last 20 years. You can see he's really quite a long way down the runway now. Today's aircraft has got a pilot, a takeoff, and load master. A range of just under 7,000 kilometers with no payload whatsoever. Capability, you're required to insert some troops without touching the ground, then you can carry up to 74 parachutes. In addition, if required, you need to get multi-leg stretch range of 2 medical service on board, or 20,000 kilos of cargo.
And you see the C-130J Hercules currently preparing for takeoff. The ramp will go up. They'll hit power and take to the sky.
providing overwatch to make sure that no aberrancies in the plane.
The Australian International Airshow today. Now, all of these capabilities are part of what was described as Project Jericho. And Pinksy will tell us all about it. Well, as I said before, planes